The graphic design course at UCLan has been running for nearly 50 years now. It's one of the oldest in the country and it's one of the most recognised in industry as well. I suppose our main selling point is that we deal with creative thinking. So we are about problem solving. It's not about decoration, but it's about communication.
It sets the foundation of good design rather than just going straight into the aesthetics and things like that, which sets you up for a career.
The graphic design course was the first graphic design course in the country to implement a placement programme. The course has built up alongside industry in that time, therefore the heritage and the alumni are second to none, and Preston's recognised not only nationally but internationally as one of the strongest graphic design courses in the country.
We get a whole year to go out and work in industry and kind of see how an actual studio functions, which kind of makes it all easier to adjust to how an actual job would be.
In the final year, we bring in 5 or 6 agencies from both the Northwest and London. They'll come in and they'll pitch projects at the students. The students will then elect which project they want to work on, and they'll work alongside both staff and the studios for that semester. We do have partner colleges in China. We've also got links in Singapore, so there has been opportunities for students to travel to both Singapore and China. We also try and get trips to London as and when we can, and there's also things like the Erasmus scheme as well. Nationally and internationally, we've got a massive enclave of ex-students working in Australia at the moment, and also New York. London is a big place for students to go, and a lot of the time we have a lot of the big London agencies knocking on the door asking who we've got and can they please see their portfolio. Obviously the Northwest as well. The Northwest, Manchester is probably second to London for design and graphic design these days. If a student really wants to get the work, generally they will.